Are you ready to start your own fashion buying business? Here we go, follow along. Step 1 is to get a business plan. For this, we're going to head over to fiverr.com and in the search bar, type in business plan. It'll reveal hundreds of people who are willing to create a business plan for you. Step 2, we're going to define the service offerings. These are the most common services that are being offered by fashion buyers. Pick your favorite and get to work. Step 3 is to find suppliers. To do this, head on over to Google and type in the word wholesale and the name of the item that you're looking for. In this example, wholesale clothing works, and it will reveal tons of vendors that you can contact and start building relationships with. Step 4, register the business and set up a business bank account. We're going to start by using MyCorp. They are the #1 website that makes it easy to start your business. They have a wide variety of packages, and it usually costs only about $99 to get started. Then you want to head over to square.com and set up a business bank account. Square doesn't charge anything for your business bank account to be set up, and you can get set up right away. It's quick, you can sell, save, and spend your money. Then you want to head over to Bluehost and find a domain name for your fashion buying business. This is going to really resonate with your customers and bring your business to life. Step 5, get your branding and your website done. For branding, I like to use 99 Designs. They're the most reliable and they create great logos, package designs, just about anything. And for website design, I like to use Fiverr. You can simply search website design in the search bar, and it will also reveal hundreds of freelancers that can help you get started for under $100. Step 6 is to create a rate sheet. For that, we're going to head back over to Fiverr and search for freelancers who specialize in price lists and rate sheets. You're going to need this to give to your fashion buying clients and let them know what you charge. The most common pricing models for a fashion buying business are to charge by hour, to charge by commission, or to charge by package pricing. The next step is you want to get an inventory management system since you'll be buying a lot of clothing and accessories. I would highly recommend that you use Square, but you can choose any vendor that you like. They have a basic inventory management system that can get you started right away. The next step is to get a tool to create and send contracts. Square also has this great feature, and it costs absolutely nothing to get started. So you can buy, send contracts, get signatures, and simplify your work. Step 9 is to start marketing your business. This is a list of target audiences for fashion buying services, as well as the marketing strategies you should be using to target them. Congratulations, you now own a fashion buying business. So I'm sure you're probably wondering, how much money can I earn? The average startup revenue of a fashion buying business is around $30,000 to $75,000 per year. And the average startup cost is around $5,000 to $10,000 a year. So as you know, the sky is the limit if you're willing to put in the work.
If you like this video or you know someone who needs to see this today, tag your friends, hit like, and give it a share. And until next time, guys, take care.